Welcome back to 84 Academy. Today we set our sights on a common foe faced by business owners and marketers running lead generation campaigns on Google Ads, the dreaded fraudulent leads. If you're experiencing issues with low quality leads, then stick around as we've got the strategies you need to eliminate the bots. The first solution to combat spam leads lies in optimizing your lead form with CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA, an acronym for Completely Automated Public Turing Test to Tell Computers and Humans Apart, serves as a robust security measure against automated bots. By implementing CAPTCHA, you establish a barrier that separates authentic leads from the influx of automated submissions, ensuring that your leads are of genuine origin. Now, it's obvious that not all spam leads or low quality leads come from bots alone. You will get genuine, poor quality leads from real people. And there are some things we can do to filter those out as well. One strategic approach to mitigate these low quality leads involves requesting additional information with your lead form. By incorporating fields for phone numbers, addresses, or job titles, you introduce an additional layer of scrutiny that dissuades bots and unengaged users from proceeding further. While this may deter some prospects, it acts as a filtering mechanism, ensuring that only genuine, interested leads willing to provide the requested information continue along the conversion path. Thus, we separate the committed from the casual, cultivating a pool of quality leads. Let's take a step back here as well. If you have something of genuine value that you are willing to share with someone and all you require from them are a few details, an additional field here or there, an address or whatever it may be, is not going to dissuade someone if they feel it's of significant value to them. So to me, this implies that they are already so much more engaged with your products and your brand that I would much rather have 10 of those leads for double the price than 20 other leads who all they have to do is put an email address in. And maybe that sounds stupid to you, but in my experience, the quality of your leads really is the distinguishing factor between a successful and a non-successful campaign, or an unsuccessful campaign, should I say. Those two aside, let's also strip it back to the basics here. Let's go back and think about what the best practices for lead gen forms. Number one, clear, concise language. Communicate your offering with clarity and precision through well-crafted ad copy and lead form instructions. Leave no room for ambiguity or confusion. Number two, streamline your lead form. Optimize the user experience by keeping your form concise and focused on capturing essential information only. Now, this is not contradicting the previous points that we've made, but keep it focused at least. If you don't need to know if they're married or not, there's no point asking anyway. If you want to capture additional information, make sure it's useful information. Number three, incentivize engagement. Consider providing incentives that captivate the interest of prospective leads, such as discounts, valuable free resources, or exclusive experiences. These incentives encourage genuine engagement and information sharing. Number four, test and refine your approach. You have to embrace a culture of experimentation, continually testing different variations of ad copy, form layouts, and incentives. Through diligent refinement, you'll uncover the optimal combination that yields the highest quality leads over time. In conclusion, reducing fraudulent, low quality, and spam leads in your Google Ads campaigns is achievable through strategic implementation of the discussed techniques. By optimizing your lead forms with CAPTCHA, requesting additional information, and adhering to best practices, you will elevate the quality of your leads and ultimately enhance your chances of converting them into valuable customers. We hope you found these strategies useful. If so, show some love by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. And if you're looking for a comprehensive Google Ads course that will take you from a beginner to an advanced user, then check the link in the description below. All of our courses come with personalized assistance from myself or one of our other coaches. With that being said, I will see you all in the next video.